let's get into it. Prime my face with that. Once you're primed, put on the foundation. Now it is time to go in with this color. I'm just going to line the brow. You are now going to blend the concealer. To fill in my brows out, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. thing. So we contour my nose, and she looking a little busted, but it's alright. So now we're going to contour the cheeks. Alright, so I'm going to be setting my face with some Coty Airspun powder. Contouring and putting warmth back because I was looking hella flashback Mary-ish. Okay, so once you contoured your face and made it kind of snatched, eyeshadow. First you want to prime your freaking lid. Prime your lid. Blend it out. We're gonna do a blue halo eye. I found it. Just break out any rainbow palette that has blues in it and purples because yeah. And I'm gonna be using the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. So first things first, I'm the realist. Pack it on. And what you want to do is just go in your crease and pack it. Just make a ring around your crease. Not a ring around your crease, put it in your crease. I'll blend it. Now we are going to go in this shade right here. We are now going to go in with the dark blue. We're gonna go in with purple and deepen the outer crease a little bit more. Whoa, okay, this is not doing nothing. Oh, gosh. I'll take this small flat brush and we are just going to be patting that. Make like a tornado shape, which is like this. Use this like flat, this brush, a brush like this if you have it. Go into the light blue shade, this one. Oof, this one right here. I will like pat the edges. Going to go in with the Aurora palette. Anastasia. We're gonna take Luna, and you wanna put this in the middle of the eye. And try to blend it as best as you can. And just pat this in the brow bone. And I'm gonna take Orion, like I said, the blue shade. You are going to take this shade right here. Oops. You're gonna take this shade right here and just go under, and that's about it. Nothing special. We are going to take Eclipse, this one, and we're gonna highlight the face. Okay, so now all that's left to do is do the lips. So this Maybelline matte lipstick in Daringly Nude, which is $6.55. You've enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, because I just took time out of my day to do this video. Then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.